I do recommend that everybody on here apply for the American Express green card, because that, after we're done with this, that's what we're going to go look at as well. And then that will also help you build credit line. Okay. Um, so let's go into this. So now that you guys have all the key information um, for this process, Dun and Bradstreet, Dun and Bradstreet or dnb.com is where I want you guys to go. Okay. And dnb.com, you can see what they do. They are pretty much the industry's leading platform for improving your company's accounts receivable and account credit monitoring, sales and marketing, risk. I mean, they do everything when it has to do with anything. But the one thing that they do really well is register your business on DMB. It's like an Equifax or somewhere where people are pulling to look for your business and see if you have any credit. Okay. And if you don't have any credit, no credit is like bad credit. And then nobody will give you credit because you don't have any credit. And so we need to make sure that when they pull it, they go, oh, they have a DUNS number. Oh, they have a credit line. Oh, they have a charge card. Oh, okay. Yeah, we could give them 10 grand. We can give them 15. Let's see, it looks like, they have the right criteria. So DNB is the first thing we need to do. So you need a DUNS number, DUNS number. And so you can learn more about what the DUNS number is. It's a government number that pretty much identifies your business as a viable business that can receive credit terms. And so once this is done, we need to you need to like open a Home Depot card in your business name, or a Quill card, or a gas card. Those are the easiest ones. Also KeyBank, like if you wanted to try a KeyBank, that's like the easiest credit card to get. So there's like a few things that we have to do before you can apply for any of those. So let's see. Or like Granger, let's see. So Granger, Office Max, a Fuel Master card, a Lowe's card, or a Costco card, or a Sam's Club card, or a KeyBank card, or an American Express card. And so those would be the ones that will help build your business credit to a point where, like, in a month or two, if you charge stuff on it and you pay it off, even if it's 50 or 60 or 70 or 80 or 200 or whatever, then you're building business credit. Immediately it reports to Equifax. Immediately you have a credit score. Okay. So, so you would just go to dnb.com, and then you would go to like sign up. I think I'm logged in though, so let me see. Log in. Okay, so I have a DUNS number, so I'll just use mine as an example. Let me see if it will. I wanted to show you what the report looked like. Product, client product. Yeah, so actually it's the free service. So the DNB credit platform, this is what you want to do. So on dnb.com/products, it'll be the DNB credit platform. And then you can hit try for free. Okay, try for free will get you your number. So I just wanted to play this briefly. It's only 2 minutes long. It'll help you understand more.
Today's modern finance leaders have more responsibility to make smart decisions and drive profitable growth, and to do it as efficiently as possible. Knowing the importance of deciding who to partner with, Dun & Bradstreet offers D&B Credit. These powerful, user-friendly platforms help you make smarter, faster credit decisions, keep a watchful eye on accounts, and monitor portfolio trends. D&B Credit provides 3 primary functions. Intelligent decision-making, which allows credit professionals to make a credit decision, insight across your entire customer portfolio, and real-time monitoring, allowing you to manage change through configurable alert profiles, which notify you via email, dashboards, and reports should a business begin to pose a risk. What if you could upload your accounts receivable data and compare it against Dun & Bradstreet's industry-leading data and analytics? With D&B Credit, you can personalize your assessments by combining your data with ours. It gives you specific insights, such as knowing if a customer is paying you late, but not their other suppliers or vendors. The result? More informed credit risk management and the ability to utilize customer segmentation to proactively manage risk and opportunity. D&B Credit is the solution to automate your credit policies, designed to enable a systematic and approach to credit decision-making. So, instead of reading a credit report and then coming up with a recommendation, you'll be able to configure the parameters of what customers and which industry who have a certain payment history get automatically approved for credit and at what amount. It doesn't get any easier or more efficient than that. With D&B Credit, Dun & Bradstreet is innovating how you integrate actionable data and analytics to manage risk and enable your most strategic credit-related decision-making. Learn more at dnb.com.
Okay, so that is just one little nugget.